Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to activate Night Shield on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, and here you can see Night Shield icon. Just tap on it, and now this mode is activated. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same icon one more time, and you are back in your normal mode. You can also personalize it. Just go to the settings, then find and select display and security, and go to Night Shield, the very last icon. Here you can either schedule this mode or enable it now. So simply tap here to enable this mode now, or schedule it for some particular period of time. So for example, from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. You can also personalize this mode. Just tap on enable now, and now you can set the temperature. So you can set some warmer or cooler colors. And you can also add some display effects. So you can, for example, have your display in black and white. Just tap here. Sorry, this one. Or you can pick the comfortable nighttime reading mode. Just tap here. So you will have just black display with white letters. Let's go back to display and colors. And then if you'd like to switch it off, of course you can switch it off here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.